Saturday, October 14th. And I won't do a video tomorrow, but happy birthday to my sister tomorrow. Her birthday is October 15th. So I think she's celebrating with her grandchildren out in Oregon. So good for them. Happy day. So happy birthday a little day early. And happy birthday to a dear friend, Irene. She is 40 today. 40. There you go. Oh, to be 40. Do we remember that? I think so. And all you 40-year-olds and 30-year-olds and 20-year-olds, it's a good time. It's a good time. Actually, all ages are good. I'm pretty okay with the 70s. I'm blessed with health. That's good. All right. I love to tell you about a restock. I'm talking about getting Christmas stuff made and done. You got somebody young in your household that wants to learn how to crochet. It's become very hot for young girls and boys to learn how to crochet. Some of them are learning it in school. It's very fun. You can do it on YouTube. Anyway, this gal has designed the Woobles, which I've told you about many times, but it's a learn to crochet kit. And she has even started it. So there's yarn, there's video. She starts the chain. She gives you a hook. Online instructions. You have a needle. Plastic eyes to make the critter, and then the stuffing. Everything is in this little basket, and this is the bluebird. This is Pierre. Oh, I'm sorry. Pierre the penguin, not the bluebird. Crazy, Holly. Just because it was blue, you thought it was a bluebird? Wrong. All right. So it's a penguin, and these kits are all $35.95. So there's the penguin. This is Felix the fox. So cute. This is Kiki the chick, little chicken, so adorable. Think about your young'uns now, or if this is something you want to try, it's crochet. These are great ways to learn single crochet and start shaping. It's all good. Instructions are all there. This is Fred the dinosaur. And last but not least, Jojo the bunny. All right, we're back in stock. It's a good thing, $35.95. All right, tomorrow is Sunday. It's a great day of rest and worship and Thanksgiving and gratefulness and all those good things. So, yay. And it's a little humid today. We did have a lot of rain, but then again, we needed rain. We were pretty dry. So, thank you, God, for the rain, but thank you that it's over. Maybe it'll be nice tomorrow. Cooler, though. I'm all about that. All right. I think that's enough babbling. I will see you on Monday.